Hi, I'm Mama Giuliana. My tips today is how to clean artichokes. What we need is an artichokes, of course, a knife that cut very well, a bowl with some water inside, and gloves to clean, otherwise it's when you touch the artichokes, your hands come black. I will show you now. You put your gloves, you take, sorry, I don't say lemon, it's very important. You cut the lemon. Some lemon you put inside the water with the bowl, because the acidity of the lemon don't let come the artichokes black. And you leave here inside. Okay. With the other part, we will touch the artichokes. So you cut, you take away this piece of the artichoke, the end, and you start to peel. You take out the leaves. This is anyway, you have to take out always because they're very hard. You cannot eat. Always keep hard here and just take away like this. You know, artichokes you can cook as you like, you can fry, you can cut, you can keep it all open. So when it's come white, the part over here, it means that it's tender, soft. And you start to go like this. You take away this one anyway because they're hard. Going around. The dark part of the artichokes you peel. It's like this. You cut also in the middle. And inside it's very good. And now you start to peel here. And one more piece. And if there is some green part over, you just go like this around. That's all, you see. Now with this other piece of lemon, you just put all around in here, and you leave in the water. So you can prepare, if you have to use more artichokes, you can prepare one by one, and after you put in this bowl with the water. Of course, after that is my tips. So we are finished. And you can use the artichokes, whatever in the recipe that you want to prepare. Remember, always with gloves.